But,
did you cry?
Yeah, I did cry.
Yeah.
And
we've done all this.
what we're going to do, Ali, is we're just going to count to 3.
Go.
Just did it on 2.
Wow.
Can't even see where I did it. I better go get mine now.
Now, these headphones come with a vacuum over your mouth to purify the air you're breathing. You're welcome.
What?
Like,
I'm sorry, I'm the guy. I've got a cold. I've been masking up. I'll have to take it off to talk so everyone can hear me. You sit right over there. I'll be okay.
Okay.
That all lawmakers agreed that UFOs should be taken seriously, as they could be a threat to national security, and they should be more open with the American public about them.